Hi friends and fellow beaders, and welcome back to Jewelry with Jen. I wanted to just do a really quick video today on we're in Tuesday. We've just got a couple of days left until Thanksgiving, right? In 2 days, and the big Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend sales. And I don't know if you caught a video I did a couple of weeks ago with Toolour, a new collab I have, guys. Really great company. They've got a lot of really cool products. I am going to link this in the video below. The reason I wanted to pop on again, if you didn't catch that video, is because they are actually having right now a week-long Black Friday sale on this actual set of jewelry pliers. And I wanted to pass this on to you guys because this deal is really ridiculous. And so you can now get this for, I think it's like 31. It's usually 40 bucks and it's down to $31 now. I don't know what other sale they've got going on, but what a phenomenal deal. So I'm going to put the links in the video box for you guys. If you'll click that link, it'll pop you over to Amazon right on the page of this plier set. And you can take advantage of this deal before they stop the deal. I don't know what they're going to do, if they're going to have a, not have it after Friday or what they're going to do. But this is a really amazing price, guys. Like 31 bucks is what I just found out yesterday that they're running this for right now. And I do not know how long that's going to last. So just wanted to, pop on just to once again, show you guys, if you didn't get that video, my collab with Toolour. Really great company. They've got some really cool products. I will put a description for both this in particular plier set and their store. So if you click those links, it'll direct you right over there. And guys, this is a really cool set, especially for beginners, because you're getting so many sets of pliers and also some other goodies and some scissors. Plus you get this really cool case that it comes in, so it keeps you all nice and organized. But what also is cool, and I'm gonna run through these tools for you real quick, guys, is this particular set comes with this really cool wire dispenser with the wire in it. And I think this is like somewhere around 26, maybe 28 gauge, probably around 26 gauge. And it comes with this wire in it. You can tell I've already been using a ton of it. And as a matter of fact, I used this wire, guys, throughout many of the videos for my 12 days when we were doing a lot of the spiraling and stuff. I was using this wire. And you saw, if you saw those videos, you saw how great the wire works. So it's really great, the thinner wire, when you're wanting to do some of that intimate wire wrapping. But anyway, you get the 6 colors of wire with the spool. It does come apart to where, if I can get it here, you can take the spool out, any standard spool that is similar in size, and then replace it with another spool of wire. And then it clicks right back together. It's got this really cool divot on the bottom here where you can just literally, take out as much as you need. If you took out too much, you can kind of, push it back in. And then what I do is I kind of just bend it like that on the bottom just to kind of keep it in place. But this is really, really cool. I know we all love these types of wire dispensers, and they are really difficult to find. So that comes with this kit. And what else comes with this kit, guys, is some really cool extra items, not just pliers, but here are some really cool, what's the word I'm looking for? I just drew a blank. Tweezers. But they have the silicone on the end, so you can pick up the little pieces and parts, your findings, without them sticking or metallizing there because of the silicone. There are 2, not 1, but 2 bracelet helpers or jewelry helpers. This is just your standard one here. This one is so cool. It has, again, the silicone on the ends, but it's also bendable. So cool. So you get that. Plus these scissors, you also saw me making this when I did the wood beaded tassel garland. These scissors work great. I love them. They've got the little handle to where you can keep them closed. They've got a really great grip. I really like them. And then you get lots of pliers, guys. You've got some really thin top chain nose. We've got the bent nose, right? Then we have some wire cutters here. And again, they're really, really small, by the way. The ergonomic grip is fantastic. But these are really cool because they're just such a nice small tip that they go up to for these particular chain nose. And then we've got some round nose here. And look at how small the tip is there. These are really fabulous. I really like them. I've been using them a lot, so these are pretty good. And guys, I mean, it just keeps going. We get the flat nose or wide nose pliers here, but they're much smaller than like your typical flat nose pliers. So there's another set of pliers there. So useful. The nylon jaw guys, you know, these by themselves, I paid 25 bucks for mine. You know, they're working just great. They work so well. And then, you know, I feel like the creme de la creme out of all of this is the 6-step bail making. I just cannot believe they're throwing this in, and they're really soft grips, and just a set of 6-step bail making pliers, as you know, will cost you well over $30. Even on sale, you might find it for $30 or something on any of your brands. So just this alone is worth this entire set. And this is really great for beginners. Like I said, it really gives you a nice head start on your tools. And, you know, you can always graduate from here or continue to add to your tool supplies and your stash from here. But these are just really amazing grips on these guys. They're so, again, effortless. I really do like them. And I thought you guys would love to know that. I cannot believe I just saw that they lowered the price on this Black Friday week sale, which again, I don't know when it's going to end, and they've dropped the price by almost $10 on this full set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Maybe you'll pop over, use the link in the video box. This is so cool, loving this. And you know, you get your case as well as all of these pliers and your helper tools and your scissors. And it's pink. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Don't forget to stay tuned tomorrow for my sneak peek preview video for my Black Friday weekend long sale. That will be dropping tomorrow morning. I look forward to seeing you guys then. And until tomorrow, friends, be blessed.